key components of circular economy. Imagine designing a product that lives multiple lives and learning how every choice you make can help the planet. That's the magic of the circular economy, where every end is a new beginning. We're not just recycling, we're rethinking the entire cycle of how products are made, used, and reused. Thanks to pioneers like the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, we have a blueprint for a sustainable future. Their principles, simple yet revolutionary: eliminate waste and pollution, nothing harmful goes back into the earth. Keep products and materials in use. Imagine a world where your smartphone is designed to last, and once it's outdated, its parts are used to build something new. Regenerate natural systems, every product made also gives back to the planet. Let's break it down. Production in a circular economy isn't just about making stuff. It's about smart design products that are made to last and later be reborn. Using 3D printing and local materials, businesses can reduce waste, cut down on pollution, and even boost the local economy. It's about sharing more than just memes online. Think sharing tools, ideas, and innovations in a makerspace. This collaborative approach not only sparks creativity, but also slashes carbon footprints. Production, this means no waste is produced during your processes. It's a circular, closed-loop system that is always feeding into the next step of the process, building from another. It's sustainable, unlike the traditional, linear economy that most companies follow, which results in waste and resource scarcity. Let's look at methods for how to implement a circular economy business model. Production. Design a product that is durable, long-lasting, and helpful. If your product is breaking, it will require more resources for it to be repaired or replaced. If it's durable, it will not break easily, so customers can have it for a long time. If it's long-lasting and doesn't need to be replaced often, then there is less impact on environment. For example, think about impact of buying a phone every year versus every 5 years. If a product is helpful, then it is contributing to the success of others and improving their quality of life. If your product is sustainable, then it should also be helping others and improving your community, making the environmental impact less impactful and further negated as you enact circular business models. Be mindful of where you source your materials. If you can source locally or use recycled materials, there will be less negative impact on environment than buying something that needs to be brought to you on a train or airplane that utilizes gas recycled materials. Give items another life by incorporating as materials for your product less CO2 emissions and energy used if it doesn't need to get shipped to you. Find opportunities and make choices that minimize your company's impact on the environment, such as sharing tools, locally sourcing materials, employing innovative technologies and digital solutions when creating your product. Use project management practices, trying methods to plan and track your progress that work best for you. More likely to achieve your goals if you plan the steps of the process and prepare for decisions. More able to make sustainable decisions if your organization and the processes being enacted during production are documented and thoughtfully planned. Distribution and consumption. The circular economy opens up new business models, such as servicizing, where services are offered instead of ownership to decrease resource consumption and enhance sustainability. For example, companies might rent cars to customers, managing all associated maintenance and insurance, which promotes less consumerism and reduces the use of resources. Additionally, optimizing packaging and shipping methods to be energy efficient, biodegradable, and reusable minimizes environmental impacts like CO2 emissions. Localizing distribution also increases efficiency and better meets market needs by reducing the distances products travel. In the circular economy, consumption practices are designed to minimize environmental impact by enabling consumers to recycle products or use them multiple times. A prime example is Fairphone, a smartphone made from 70% recycled materials and produced using 100% renewable energy, which boasts a minimal environmental footprint compared to conventional phones. Fairphone's model includes a 5-year warranty and is designed for easy repairs by the user, promoting longevity and reducing waste. Additionally, the company uses a system where customers can return their old phones for recycling, continuously feeding materials back into the production cycle, thus exemplifying a sustainable circular system. Success in these endeavors is measured through key performance indicators (KPIs) like revenue from circular models, resource consumption levels, and waste reduction rates, helping to track and communicate the positive environmental impact of the company. So what's in it for you? A chance to be at the forefront of a global movement that's not just about making money, but making a difference. The circular economy isn't a trend, it's the future. And it's a future where businesses and nature work hand in hand to create a world worth living in.